If you're ready to sell your vehicle, here are 7 tips for creating the perfect used car ad. Begin with the truth. Start by offering a free Carfax report and mention that in the ad. Take close-up pictures of any major blemishes on the body and interior. Outline why you're selling your car. By being honest with its faults, you're giving potential buyers confidence you're not hiding a major mechanical problem. If you're asking $10,000 and disclose a scrape on the front bumper, the buyer is less likely to use that damage as a reason for offering less money. Provide maintenance records. Taking a picture or two showing all that paperwork lets buyers know you correctly maintained your vehicle. Write your used car ad with mutual respect. Nothing kills an ad quicker than using all capital letters, the internet version of shouting. Make sure buyers find your ad. High visibility listings include common search terms that are applicable to your vehicle, such as SUV, 3 rows, all-wheel drive, or leather seats. Also include variation of names like Chevrolet and Chevy. Offer links from experts and prior owners. If you search for your year, make, and model, you'll see websites that reviewed your vehicle when new. If you have the word owners, you'll see reviews from previous buyers. Copy and paste these links into your listing so shoppers can read reviews and testimonials. Validate the car's greatest strengths. Prove your car has an excellent safety record by presenting the evidence. If you say the 2020 Chevy Malibu is an Insurance Institute for Highway Safety top safety pick, underneath that copy, post a link to validate this from the IIHS. Presentation matters. When photographing your used vehicle, the background should always be appealing, such as a nice house or a well-kept park. In the end, mutual respect and honesty will ensure your perfect used car ad achieves the highest visibility and yields the best financial return. Learn more at Capital One's Auto Learning Center.